Alright, so back to where we left off from the last class. And you see I've gotten a little tool. We'll be able to get those tools out of the closet. It's really just going to be used probably closer towards the end. So here's my dog. I'm sort of tapping him down in the back so I can get the back proportion of his back legs. So if I hold him down like this, you can start. We're going to have this little sort of pug dog, I guess. Sort of short and broad. I went ahead and did a measurement of my head to the neck, just so that if some of you were like, well, how far do I need to come down to squeeze a neck? It works out to about 1 inch from there. So that is where I came down and squeezed to make that neck. So now I'm going to kind of work on these legs. So they look a little strange at this point. I've tapped them down so I can get some of the, when I'm tapping down, it's actually shifting the clay down. It's compressing the clay towards the bottom. Now, see here on the side, we're starting to get, oh, the dog is sitting, if I didn't say that. You can see, you know, it's kind of, this is where the dog's back leg is. That's coming forward. And then this is where the front leg would be. So with this tool, I'm just going to kind of scoop out a little bit of the clay. I'm just going to cut it out off the side. This is going to help us to sort of form the legs a little better. See where it's at here? And now I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I'm sort of imagining where this leg is coming down. I'll draw it. This leg is coming forward this way. This leg is coming down this way, front leg. And then I'm just going to sort of chop out what's there. Whenever you're working with clay, you just want to do things slowly and gently. Obviously it's soft, which allows you to mold it, but that also means it ends up getting marks from your hands and pushing and all of that. So I'm forming the back. I'm trying to form the individual legs this way. Now my clay already is getting pretty soft. Feel it. Okay, I'm thinking ahead and not talking. So I've gotten these legs. I'm starting to look at them and I'm starting to feel, number one, it is getting pretty soft. I'm just going to kind of smooth this out a little bit. But it is getting soft, so it's starting to sort of flop on me, and I'm sure you'll have that same problem. So I'm looking at him and trying to, get him not to flop so much. And now I'm looking at these front legs and saying, well, those look kind of long to me. So I'm going to cut a little bit of them off. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here and let you all work on cutting in that sort of V shape between the legs on the sides. Leg on the other side. Start, shaping it so you could feel like it looks like a dog sitting down.